be real quiet. It's like 6 o'clock in the morning and I hear this weird noise. I don't know if that's a... Y'all hear that? What the hell is that? Can y'all hear that noise? I mean, what the heck is that? Is that like a injured bird? Or a pigeon that something caught in its throat? Done ate something or choking on something? Screaming for help? Oh! The animal probably got the corona. That's what it is. Probably them animals probably caught the corona. What the hell is that noise? Sound like a newborn bird. A newborn bird crying for food. I don't know where it's coming from. Sounds like it's suffering. Oh, it's kind of sad. It's kind of sad. Poor animal.
Darrell, R.D.P. You mother effers.
Oh, the animal probably got the corona.